I just finished my assignments and it's currently 8:50. I started at 6:52. So 2 pages back to back of math. My teacher gave us this assignment like last week and I've only did it today. And then science, I hate this. Araling Panlipunan, it's okay. It's pretty easy. So yeah. All of this was given like last week, but I'm only doing it today because it was due today. I only need to review Filipino and ESP next, but I'm planning on reviewing ESP later because all I need to do is read the PowerPoints because the lessons are pretty easy. English, I don't have to review it because I already reviewed it like on Monday, 2 days ago. And Filipino, I just have to watch the kabanatas or chapters of El Filibusterismo. I'm gonna go get coffee because I'm really sleepy.
The prisoner of Azkaban.
Nag-send na po ako ng activity on the GC. Kung gusto nyo gawin ngayon, sige gawin nyo na kung hindi ang akin sa mga. Tomorrow, may online class tayo. Magbibigay ako ng quiz about di ba na? Naka-G-Forms naman.
Mo?
Saan?
Kasi malapit na tayo matapos.
It's mixed emotion. Kasi, guys, kasama ko na kayo for 3 years, tapos...
4 years pa.
This is...
Say hi.
I definitely failed that exam. I did not review one single bit about El Filibusterismo. Like, I genuinely, I think I only aced ESP, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao, and English, obviously. But I think I had one wrong thing in English. I forgot the name of the king who who helped Odysseus. I know it's not Aeolus. Saan mo gusto?
Lalagay ko kasi sa vlog ko last week at school.
Hi, vlog. Wala ako sa vlog.
Guys, may multo. Huwag niyo tignan.
Anong favorite color mo? Green ba?
Sorry. Ano favorite color mo?
Green daw favorite color ko.
Ano favorite color mo? Kita blue. Okay, sige. Pili ka dito.
I'm done.
Ano yung sinulat mo? Di ko mabasa. Oo, di ako marunong magbasa, guys. Alliteration. Hi ka. Ay.
Pinakamagandang sign sa lahat.
Ay. Ayoko.
Diba? Ang galing ko. Bakit ako sa vlog? Tignan niyo, guys. Nakikita ba? Basta yan.
Ayan.
The church?
No. Say hi.
Guys, hindi ito ay
Guys, say hi. Hi. I will put this in my phone.
Thank you, bro.
Finally, na-sign ko na yung AR namin. 2 more signatures to go. Tapos na ako sa mga org works ko. Finally. Guys, mga gaya-gaya mga to.
Hindi to logo. Hindi talaga.
Wait.
Oo, nakalimutan ko sabihin dun sa ano.
Ay,
Sorry.
Check pala.
ako makikita nasa likod.
Sick one, one touch.
Guys, mo autograph.
Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Oh, ayun ang akin. Yes.
Okay, hi, ma'am.
Last na
Nagpapa-autograph. Hi, Van. Say hi. Hi.
Love you, PFM!
Uy,
Yes, gagraduate kayo.
Ay, ko yung reason naman ka-graduate kami.
It's escalation.
Mamaya, mamaya. Ay, nag-photo pa po talaga. Akim? Umiiyak na sila! Umiiyak na sila!
May make sure yun! May make sure tayo!
Hindi na mix yung mix na.
Umiiyak na sila!
Make sure kami! Make
Guys, tandaan nyo ito magkakajowa ko.
Guys, ako rin, mas nakajowa na ako sa grade 11.
Grade 11. Magkakausap ako. Gagad ako sa mga basto. Sige, sige.
Pangit yan!